Valparaíso. Se han registrado entre 1 y 3 pulgadas de lluvia y se esperan cantidades adicionales de 1 a 2 pulgadas en el área bajo aviso. Las inundaciones repentinas están ocurriendo o se espera que comiencen en breve. Bulletin of flash flood warning. The National Weather Service and weather issued a flash flood warning for Carolina and Trujillo Alto until 4:45 p.m. At 1:43 p.m., the operator indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the wide area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the one area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly.
I can't wait to come out and play. Come and clap it, baby. I love bust it for you, baby. Anywhere, anytime, I don't mind. Oh yeah, I'm back in the trap. Oh yeah, took it rough. Oh yeah, I took my cup. Oh yeah, we gon' roll up tonight. Take time, blind and light. Yes. Show you see stars. Show you go far. Show you levitate. Show you me. Everybody get on. Yeah. We gon' roll up tonight. Spaceship smile. Blow it up, cuff it up. What's up? This is Lady Gaga. This is Rihanna. Hey, we're the Pussycat Dolls. This is Kiss